and I'm gonna show you how to make bacon and eggs toast. Again, by taking an egg, get out the egg and put that in this little bowl. It just makes it easier to have more control. You don't have to put it in a bowl. And then you take your air fryer basket out. If it's this style of air fryer, some of them are more like little mini ovens and you just put them right in. That's fine. I'm gonna take my slices of bread and just put them right in there. And you wanna make, with the bacon, you wanna make kind of like a little nest for that egg. So the egg stays right in the middle, kind of like that. And we will just pour it right there in the middle. We'll do a little bit of pepper. And then into the air fryer the basket goes. And then we set the temperature to 350 Fahrenheit, and then we just turn it on for 10 minutes, and that's it. And look at that. Now, depending on your bacon, if it's really thick, you're gonna wanna probably cook it, like you'll form it in like the basket and just put that by itself in the basket and cook it for a few minutes first. Just because if it's really thick, 10 minutes is not long enough to cook it. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. So yeah, take a bite out of this one. Now I wanna cut into the yolk here, just to show you kind of what the yolk looks like. I'm just gonna cut kind of straight through, and there should be a little bit of a run to that yolk, okay? Awesome.